So I said to you guys that I was going to show you the house, and yeah, here it is.
Remember when we said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart will mend. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us.
So yeah, here I am at the new house. It's a nice sunny day today. Yeah, that's basically it behind me. Moved in about 3 weeks ago or so, something like that. I've been waiting for furniture because we're getting new furniture throughout and stuff. So it's taken its time, to be honest. But we've finally got there with settees. So we've got some sofas in, we've got a bed in. So we've got the basics in now, so that's good. We've got a few mirrors up, got a couple of curtains up, not quite fully kitted out yet, but basically mostly there. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. This is the new crib. What do you think? Let me just take you around the back. I'll take you around the back. So yeah, that's the drive. And I've got trees. I own trees. Never thought I'd own any trees, but yeah. I own trees, which is unreal. So let me show you this. If you're wondering what that is there, that's a robot lawnmower. That's been mowing the lawn. It don't do the edges, so forgive me for not having the edges done. But yeah, I thought you guys wanted to see. I told you I'd show you the house, so this is the house. They're my trees, they're my trees there, look, which is cool. I've always, well, I don't know if I've always wanted trees, but definitely trees are a nice thing, so yeah. So yeah, that's the house. They're my trees too, up there. Yeah, that's it. Guess they're my pigeons. I don't know if you saw them on camera, but I guess they're my pigeons. But yeah. What do you think? Let me know. I've been promising to show it you for a while, so here it is. Yeah, I can smell food. Ollie's cooking something. There's a really nice smell coming out of that thing there. But yeah, let me know what you think. And yeah, that's it. Oh, it smells real good. Real good.